I get like that the older people, they had babies before us, and that, you know, they know how to raise babies. First of all, when was the last time that y'all older people had a baby? Cut us younger people some slack. When I tell you something or I ask you something, the last thing that I need is like judgment, okay? I get that y'all want to be protective and all that, but y'all need to chill. I'm exactly who my children need. I am calm and patient with my child as she grows and learns about the world. I am doing my best, and that is enough.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high.
Puffy, you're safe, mamas. You're safe. Everything is okay. Everything is okay, mamas. You want your pacifier? You want it? No? You're okay, mamas. Mama just needs to get her stuff done. Okay? But you can take a little nap. You're safe. Mama is here, and Mama will be here when you wake up. Okay? And Papa is at work. He will be back. He will be back when he's done working. Okay? Everything is okay, mamas. Okay, I promise. Enjoy your apple, okay? Enjoy your apple. You don't want, but you're gonna scream when I leave. I see it already because you're tired. Huh? You're just tired, mamas. Just tired. Huh? Hi, Amiga. What is up, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Jennyfer Ross, and I am back at it again with another vlog. We are starting this vlog off in the afternoon. I have a very, very slow morning. As you may know, I do have a newborn now. She is 1 month old by the time I'm filming this, and she needed my attention. She needed my care. I planned for my day to go, my morning to go a certain way, but it went differently. But I've learned really, really quick that things go the way they go, and that's okay. That is okay. So that's why I'm still in shambles. But my baby had a poop explosion, so I needed to deal with that. And then after that, I needed to feed her. Then I needed to pump milk for her, and yappa yappa yappa. So here we are. It's okay. I'm now fixing myself. I had breakfast though this morning. Right now I'm fixing myself some rice pudding, because that really helps with the milk supply. So I'm working on that right now. The baby's now asleep, so I hope that stays that way for a little bit. She has a little music going on. She's bopping in her sleep. That's good. So yeah, welcome to Motherhood. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos from me, and to keep up with my journey, leave me a nice comment down below letting me know how your day is going, how you're enjoying this new era of my life and these new kind of vlogs. So yeah, that's that. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm exactly who my children need. I am worthy of receiving love. I am calm and patient with my child as she grows and learns about the world. My child is well behaved and helpful. I am doing my best, and that is enough. I am a great mother.
Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
Today I am going to a doctor's appointment with Safi. It's just a checkup appointment to see how she is doing, how she is gaining her weight, if she's closer to her goal weight. So I'm quickly getting ready for that, not doing too much, just a little something something to feel more put together. And then after this I'm gonna get Safi dressed. Benny's also gonna take a shower so we can leave, because we need to leave in about 50 minutes, less than an hour. So that's that. I have mastered to do a little something really fast. I also realized that I don't need as much as I always thought I did, so that is great. That's growth for me. A little bronzer, you know, a little color on the cheeks is enough, and then some foundation or whatever. It's also very refreshing to not have to do the 45-minute commitment, if you get what I'm saying, because you don't always have that time. Anyways, I'm just gonna do some bronzer on my cheeks. Let's do some blush as well. I'm thinking about downsizing my whole collection of makeup since it's been a while since I used like all crazy colors and stuff. So I might do that actually. Downsize and just have like just a bag of makeup of the things that I use, and that's it, and not buy anything else until I have finished up things in my bag, or buy anything unless I need it, you know. Anyways, I'm quickly gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll get back to you. Makeup is done. It's just simple, nothing crazy. Now let me go finish getting dressed. These are the earrings for the day, the Bottega dupes from Stradivarius. And this is the perfume of the day, Guerlain Isolance. Such a delicious scent. Since I just had a baby, I just applied my perfume on the back of my neck now. That's enough, and a little bit on my wrist. That's just because my baby sometimes looks for my scent, and the last thing I want to do is mask my scent, you know, with perfume. So I love perfume still, but I also love my baby, you know.
Ga je op carnaval dansen? Asafi, Asafi, Asafi. Hey, 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 hey. Stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky.
Hi Amiga, we got back home and we changed into comfy clothes. Safi had a poop explosion, so we needed to deal with that. We gave her a little bath. She's now taking a nap. And I am making dinner. Benny is making coffee. But today was literally the best day ever. First thing first, Safi's appointment went really well. She is gaining weight. She's so close, 70 grams away from 3 kilos, which is amazing. So we love that. And other than that, she is doing great. She is tiny but mighty. She's doing so good. So she's strong. All her other things are good. And yeah, she's gaining her weight, doing her thing, getting thick. So we love that for her. And we went outside, of course. We decided to walk over there, and it was literally the best day ever. Safi slept throughout the whole thing, and I was just all smiles the whole way. It's just everything I wanted. I can't believe we bought that stroller in December, and today is how much? Today is March 14th or something, and today is the first day that we could use it. So sorry, I really wanted to use my stroller and walk outside with my baby, you know? And I thought to do that today. And it was beautiful weather. Safi was just enjoying herself, napping, which is good, you know? And yeah, mommy and daddy had like a talk. We went to a supermarket, got some things. And yeah, great. My day My day cannot be ruined anymore after this. It was amazing. And now I'm gonna cook dinner because tomorrow I will be home alone with Sophie while Benny goes to work. So I want to have dinner ready for tomorrow, like a little meal prep situation. So I want to have that ready so that tomorrow I don't have the stress of having to cook. I'm also going to take a shower before Benny leaves. So that's also like a stress thingy less, because feeling like I don't feel clean or I feel like I need a shower, that's not a great feeling. And I think even during these times, self-care is important, and self-maintenance, self-care, it's just self-care. Self-care is important, you know? So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna cook now. Good morning, Amiga. It is now the next day. Sophie is down for a nap. She had her bottle this morning. Ben gave it to her before he went to work. And I am now about to start pumping milk. I made myself a cup of tea, so I'm having that. And I'm going to pump, you know, to make sure that my girl has food during the day. But I feel well rested, and that's amazing. Benny and I do shifts during the night, so that means he wakes up one time and changes her diaper and then gives her the bottle, and then the other turn I do it completely. I change her diaper, pump milk if I need to, and feed her, and then in that way we're not both exhausted, you know. So that has been working very well. I did the 3 o'clock one, and then Benny did the 7 o'clock 6:30 o'clock one. So yeah, it depends what time she wakes up, but he did the later one so he could also make rice, make veggies before he had to go to work. But yeah, I'm gonna get started with this because I hear her on the baby phone a little bit, but she's still asleep. If she's awake, you're gonna hear her. You're really gonna notice. But anyways, I'm gonna start pumping before she wakes up because, you know, mom life, you need to use your time wisely, otherwise you're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. And I would like to take a shower before she wakes up too, so we'll see how this goes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, Amiga, I finished pumping milk for my baby and now it's time to take a shower. I just feel like I'm a way better mom when I take good care of myself. I can show up better, I feel better, and I am in a way better mood when I feel clean and all that. So don't feel guilty if you are a mom too and you have to take a shower. Those are basic necessities and we need to do those to feel like ourselves. So shower time, let's go. I finished doing my body lotion and my body care and all of that, put on a little outfit, and now skincare time. For skincare, I really like to keep it really simple. I have some hormonal breakouts. It's healing right now due to this. For the most part, I use this a lot because it's just the best thing ever. But anyways, I'm starting off with just day cream. And then next up we have sunscreen. I have the Rituals one. This is the SPF 30 one. And I really think this is important whether you leave the house or not. I always like to use this. And then next, for my spots and things, I like problem areas, I like to use this spot treatment from Caudalie. This is the Vinyl Pure spot treatment with salicylic acid. And I just apply this richly to this area. It's just hormonal, all these breakouts, but it is really helpful. And now I'm quickly gonna brush my hair into a bun or something really simple because we're not leaving the house today. It's raining outside. It's just that every time I look in the mirror, I want to feel like, okay, it's not that bad, you know? But every time when I look disheveled and I look into the mirror, I feel even more sad. That's not good. So we're gonna brush my hair and try to make it look decent. Let's do that. And these are the products that I use for my slick bun. The first thing is this Shine and Jam. And for the ends of my hair, I use this Oats and Honey Soothing Hair Balm. For my edges, I have another Miel Organics product. This is the Edge Gel from Miel Organics, and it's their Rosemary and Mint one. And then for some extra shine, I use this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist.
Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow.
My friends, is the hair and skincare done. Now I'm gonna get ready to take care of my baby. And look who is awake. It is Sophie. Mamas. Yo. Okay, Mamas? Seems like she had like little cramps or something, but are you ready for food and everything? Are you? Yeah, Mamas, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, baby, it's okay. It's okay. Anyways, I'm going to change her diaper, give her a bath, and then feed her bottle because she is ready. At the same time, she seems like she's dozing off to sleep again. Or is it just cramps that is bothering her? What is it, Mamas? Oh, no, I'm gonna figure this out. I'll be back. Sophie, show them your before. We're gonna change you and everything. This is the before. Let's change her diaper, freshen her up, give her a little bath. Okay? Yeah, Mama. Okay. Here you go. Yeah, here you go. Okay, bye. Alright, and this is the after. Outfit of the day. Everything is from Hema. And baby is mine. Okay, let's have a bottle. So Amiga, I have put Sophie down for a nap and I fell asleep myself. Now I am pumping again. She needs to wake up in 20 minutes. So that has been the day. It's been a lazy day, which is okay. But yeah, really funny how I put her down for a nap and then fell asleep myself as well. You know? Took my hair down a little bit because it's just not good to sleep with your hair in a tight bun like that. I want to keep my edges. I hear her on the baby phone. I need to hurry up because she's gonna wake up soon. When she's making those little sounds, she's gonna wake up soon. Just gotta go. This makes me so happy just because there were times that I used to be so unhappy with my body and my breasts in particular. But right now I'm just so happy that I'm able to produce food for my baby with my body. And the feminine body is just something so magical. The fact that I was able to carry a baby for 9 months, develop a whole human in my body, and now my body is making food for my baby. Mind-blowing. But yeah, I have a very good supply and I'm really grateful for it. I do not want this to stop anytime soon, so I do everything to keep it up and to maintain it. But yeah, really grateful for that. By the way, Benny's colleague Bushra sent me these delicious sweets. They remind me of baklava, but they're not baklava. It's something with nuts in it, and they're so delicious, and they're drenched in honey. Delicious. And nuts help with milk supply, so thank you, Bushra. Okay, since Safi is still asleep, this is my dinner. This is the dish that I made yesterday night. It's chicken with sweet potato and then green beans and rice. This meal is bussin', by the way. Tastes so good. And I'm so happy that I cooked this yesterday when I had time, when Benny was home and he could watch the baby. Because the relief of not having to cook, of just warming up your food and eating it, it's just the best. Just the best. What they say about being a new mom, everything is true. You are gonna have your hands full. I love it though. I really do. But it needs some planning and getting used to. But I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. And I really want to focus on having like nutritious meals now. Since, you know, I'm breastfeeding, so it's really important. I also just went and checked on the baby and she's still sleeping. I have to hurry because she is waking up. I swaddled her, and when she's waking up, she's always trying to fight the thing off. But she's fighting and then she falls back asleep, and she's fighting and she falls back, and then she wakes up and she's up. So I need to hurry. I know that that's a sign. Hi Sophie. Hi Nicey. Ja. Lekker geslapen. Ja. Lekker gedut, mami. Ja. Mooi. Still scrunching. Ja. Ja. Ja, jongens.
Ah, je lacht. Je lacht. Mita toma decision sin medo. Miedo, hè? Mita sentimi seguro e proteja. Mita magnet para magia e aventura. Me merece de estar feliz todo dia. Gehoord, schatje? Gehoord? Oké. Ik ben een magneet voor magische avontuur. Toch? Mita un rayo di solo y mita brilla todo dia. Goed? Tur caminda cu mi drenta, mita brilla cu positivismo. Toch? Dat is wel waar. Kijk. Mita prepara para cosas más grande. Je moet hier kijken. Schatje, oké, kijk. Oh, je wil niet meer horen. Oké. Ik ben ongeduldig.
Amiga, today is the next day, and I am not gonna lie to you, today has been a day. She woke up at 4 for her bottle and her clean diaper, of course, and after that she didn't want to sleep. Benny has a shift today even though it's Saturday, and after that I just napped every time she napped, but she just finished her bottle. Are you good? You good, mama? Are you good? So priority today was to take care of her, take care of myself, eat food, drink water, and when Benny gets home later, tonight is editing night because tomorrow is Sunday and I wanna keep up with uploading every Sunday. So I am going to edit tonight. Therefore, yeah. Oh, I'm doing laundry as well. So those are the only things that I was able to do, but I'm happy with it, you know. It's okay. Sometimes I just forget that I gave birth to this baby, you know, a month ago. Yeah, my body still needs to recover from all that. Even though I want to think that I'm Superwoman. Your mom thinks she's Superwoman. which I kind of am, you know, I am Superwoman. But even Superwoman needs to rest. Right, baby? She's looking at me like, what are you talking about? Why are you looking at me so judgy? You're just a month old. You don't need to judge me already. Anyways, yeah, let's have her burp. Ja, gaan we een boertje doen? Ja, hé mami, we gaan een boertje doen. Kom maar. Ja, it's okay mama, she's okay. Today is a good day because Benny brought home Takumi ramen. Like, look. I have the chicken ramen. Ooh. Thank you, Benny.
Cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
Amiga, it is 1:30 in the morning, but I just can't start my day with a mess in the kitchen. I just can't. So I'm going to clean the dishes really quick. I finished pumping milk for the baby. I finished the vlog, by the way, so that's great. In the morning I just have to upload it, and I'm really happy that I pushed through and got it done. I really need to work on my discipline back again and my consistency, because sometimes when you're tired and you just had a day, which today wasn't that bad, but when you had a day, you just don't feel like doing it. Motivation is just not gonna cut it, you know. It's discipline that's gonna cut it, and in this case I managed to do it. So tomorrow I will be able to post a vlog, and I'm really happy. And now I'm gonna clean this kitchen so we can start off the day with a clean kitchen. Benny is gonna feed the baby and change her diaper during the night so I can sleep through the night until the morning, and I'm really grateful for that. I'm really grateful that he does all that, as he should though, but you know what I mean, you know. There are people who have to do all of this alone, and I have mad respect for y'all, because having a baby is fun. I love my baby so much, but it can be a lot. It can be a lot to have to feed your baby every 3 hours, change the diaper every 3 hours, all by yourself, okay? I did it the whole day, and I do love to do it, but sometimes when Benny does it at night, that's amazing. That's great. Anyways, let's clean this kitchen up. Okay, I finished cleaning the kitchen. I'm really happy that I finished doing this, and trust me, it's way better than starting the morning off with a dirty kitchen. I hate that. And right now I'm making my own version of the Sleepy Girl cocktail, whatever it's called. And I'm using magnesium for that, because I don't have to wake up for the next feeding of Safi. I'm gonna try to get some good night of sleep, you know. But I'm halfway through watching the whole vlog, so I'm gonna finish that while I drink this, and then after that I am heading to bed. Cheers. That tastes really good. Yes. Good morning, Amiga. It is the next day, and I am about to upload the vlog, and then after that I hope I can take a shower. No, I'm gonna take a shower and wash my hair. Benny will watch the baby so I can do that. And it's now 9:09. Angel numbers. We love a little angel number. Let's make a wish. It's just crazy to me that when you become a mom, how your priorities and how your wishes and things change. Because now I'm constantly wishing all the good things for my baby. She sounds like she is fighting her dad in there. Anyways, let's get to pumping, because I should not play around with my time. There's a lesson that I have learned. That is, if you have stuff to do when you have a baby, get it done, because their timing is not yours. Alright, amiga, vlog is uploading. Baby is here next to me. She is falling asleep, but she doesn't want to fall asleep. She's fighting it, literally. But I feel so accomplished already about this vlog. I hope she falls asleep so I can do my other things, okay? Me and gym class back in the days.
Mama, come now. Here, sit.
Alright, amiga, I managed to post my vlog, promote it everywhere. Then I had lunch. It was good. Now it's time for me to take my shower and just take on the rest of my day. I also wanted to give Sophie a bath later on. So yeah, lots of things to do. But shower time, and I'm gonna wash my hair because it is crusty and dusty right now. It is. Okay, amiga, it is now many hours later and I feel tired and delusional. Safar is having a day again where she doesn't want a nap, but I got her down for a nap, so that means I have time now to tidy up my room, clean the bedding, and just get my life together a little bit. Hair is still in this turban because I wasn't able to style it yet, so I hope I can do that later today. But yeah, I'm a little tired today, I'm not gonna lie. But let's get my bedding done now, you know? Let's change the bedding so we can sleep in a clean bed tonight with nice, fresh, crispy linen. Looking forward to that. These days, those are the things that really make me happy. Yeah. Take off this hoodie. Yeah, but I managed to finish my room and all that. I'm now gonna blow dry my hair. Okay, amiga, it is now the next day. It's the next day because I simply wasn't able to continue vlogging yesterday. I was just tired and delusional at some point, you know? So yeah, I'm now doing my makeup because I have some content that I want to film today. But I also have like some new things that I bought and I wanted to show you them. Like a little haul situation. And that's just because I'm so excited to wear it all, you know? But the vlog needs to see it first. By the way, I was triggered so bad yesterday, and I'm gonna get a lot of shit for this, for saying this, but I need to address this because it's getting to a point of annoyance, you know? I get like that the older people, they had babies before us and that, you know, they know how to raise babies and all of that, but first of all, when was the last time that y'all older people had a baby? I mean, when? When? Generation boomer, when was the last time that y'all had a baby? Just cut us younger people some slack. And I mean, sometimes I don't care what my grandma used to do when they were raising the boomers. I mean, I get that they used to do what they could do for their time, but right now I follow what the doctor says, you know? I follow what the doctor says and I don't keep up and do all the superstitious stuff. I don't want to believe in that or keep myself occupied with that, because why would I even want to do that? Why would I want to keep up with superstition and making myself anxious for no reason. It's already scary enough being a new mom and figuring all this stuff out on my own. And when I tell you older people, sorry, not all older people, when I tell you something or I ask you something, the last thing that I need is like judgment, okay? For example, a baby's digestive system, it needs to develop. That's what they told me in the hospital. The doctors literally told me that scientifically it is proven that baby's digestive system needs to develop. I do not want to hear that when the baby has cramps, that it's because I ate bananas, okay? There is nothing that scientifically proves that. And why would you, like, come on now. And there's also a whole topic of, do you show the baby? Do you not show the baby? Like, listen, I wanted this baby for such a long time. Let me enjoy my baby. I want to have like some digital memories of her to be able to look back on later, you know? And I want her to see these videos and be like, oh my God, that's how my parents used to be with me. And the boomers are just, they are just ruining the whole experience, you know, because they come in like, oh my God, don't tell her to not do that because it's like people's evil eye. Listen, I get that some people are not happy for you in your life, but that's their business. I really don't want to consume my mind and waste any sleep on people that are not happy for me. If you're not happy for me, then you need to work on yourself. Ask yourself why you're not happy for me. I mean, come on now. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna leave this in the video, but I'm so annoyed with it. Every time that I post something or a little video, it's just the whole, I get that y'all are coming from a place of love, but it is not coming, it's not entering me that way, you know? Y'all are making me anxious. And sometimes at night, I just get anxiety over the things that y'all say because they process in my mind at night. So please, one more time, can y'all give us younger people some grace, okay? At this point, I'm just really, really annoyed with it. And there's nothing else I can say about it. I get that y'all want to be protective and all that, but y'all need to chill. You really need to. You know, y'all making me anxious and nervous about all this. And maybe I sound like a stubborn person, but I had enough, okay? There is gonna come a point in which I am just gonna spaz. And then you will hear that I'm rude, that I don't have respect for the elderly people, and la 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 la. But I'm warning y'all, stop. Just stop, okay? And also the people who encourage my mom to come tell me this shit. Like, just keep that shit to yourself, okay? Thank you. I'm sorry, y'all. I really didn't mean to be rude, but it's just annoying. It really is. And you really think that all this time, you know, I fought so hard to have this baby, that I'm gonna do anything to jeopardize the health of my baby? I'm not going to jeopardize my baby's health, safety, or anything. What I am going to do is protect my baby from weird energies like this because I'm not having it, okay? I really am not. Anyways, I'm gonna finish doing my makeup. I'm sorry for this rant, but certain things just had your girl effed up, okay? They really did. All right, Amiga, it's now a little bit later, and you may wonder who the hell washes their hair and then puts it in a bun the same day. Well, that person is probably not part of motherhood. I'm sorry, I didn't have time for all of it, so bun it is. At this point, I'm just happy that my scalp is clean and that my hair is clean, that it's not crusty and flaky. It's just a feeling that matters, okay? I didn't want to like completely revamp my wardrobe, but I wanted some new things because I wasn't able to shop for so long. So I was like, why not get some new fun things to spice things up a little, you know. So I ordered a few things online. First thing is this heart sweater. I got this from Temu and I absolutely love it. Safi has a pajama set that she's wearing right now that matches this, and I bought it especially for that reason. But it is so cute. I love the little hearts. I even have hearts on my phone right now. And I just love like the bigger fit. It matches my slippers. So I'm obsessed. Next thing is this vest, and I absolutely love these kind of vests. I love the color and the gold buttons. Really simple and cute. And I thought this would be nice for when Safi has her goal weight, so we can wear it, or I can wear it when I go like for a little coffee with her, and you know, or like a little walk or whatever. When you want to feel put together, things like this just make it happen. Then next up, I have a sweater with a more chill fit. It is this one from H&M. Really simple. The color is also really simple, but it's really soft and it's a little oversized. And I just love these kind of things. You can dress it up, dress it down. Doesn't really matter, or wear it really chill around the house, which is dress down, I guess. But I thought things like this would be nice. And I also had like something similar, but it just got old, so I decided to just toss it out and get something new, refresh it a little bit. And then next is this sweater. It's like a longer sweater, like in this material. It's like a woven sweater, really nice. I thought this would be great too, just like with some cream colored jeans or like a light blue color jeans for spring. I see this with like a trench coat and just some jeans and sneakers. So yeah, those are my sweaters. Next up, I got a little necklace from Nook. And this is the box when you open it. So cute. And then the parchment paper is so pretty. It comes in this little pouch, and it says by Nook. Is this little necklace. I actually ordered it for Safi, but I think it is a little bit too big, or I can save it for her so she can have it later on in life, or get something like this customized for her. And we got the most thoughtful gift ever from Garcella and John. It is just these like learning cards from Peking Fugado, and it's one in Suriname and also one in Papiamentu, which is really cute. If you didn't know, Benny is from Suriname and I'm from Curacao, and we both want to learn Safi our languages. So, and we also both want to learn each other's language even more. So this is so cute, so fun, and we can't wait to learn the languages and have her be like bilingual, trilingual. We'd like to teach her as much languages as possible, but the language from her mom and dad, I really think that is important, you know. So yeah, that's that for my little haul. I have one package that I received from my mom's colleagues. Let me open that with you as well. Okay, so this is the package that I received from my mom's colleagues, which is really nice. So thank you guys so much for sending this to us. She gave it to me in the other vlog, but I forgot to open it, and I was like, okay, no problem, I'll just open it in the next vlog. So here I am opening it. The first thing is this set of building blocks, which is so cute, like building rounds or whatever. And you can learn to count, and it has like little animals on it. So cute. Then it has like 2 decks, and it's just like diapers, I think, like on both sides. And it has like a blanket wrapped around it. So that's so cute. And then this little bird toy. That is so cute. Look at that. Adorable. I will hang this in her bassinet so she can look at it when she is laying in there. But that's so cute. And it makes this sound. Adorable. Anyways, thank you so much to the colleagues of my mom. I really truly appreciate it. And y'all didn't have to do that, but you still did. So I'm really grateful for that. So thank you.